Okay, Miss Lilac. So, kamusta po? This is day 2 ng exercise natin for December. So, again, body weight lang siya para kahit saan ka, pwede mo siyang gawin. So, first exercise natin, plank tayo, elbows down, same as yesterday or yung day 1 natin. Elbows right here, and then press tayo. Yung palms natin, yung kamay natin. Fist sa floor din para distributed yung weight sa arm natin. So again, 60 seconds. That's your first exercise. So second exercise natin for day 2, cardio tayo. So 30 seconds natin gagawin high knees. So parang ano siya, jogging in place. Elbows sa side, pwede nating i-swing. And then yung goal natin, yung leg natin is mag-parallel sa floor or mas mataas, mas maganda. So 30 seconds tayong high knees. Okay, target natin, knees pataas sa ceiling, or yung leg natin magpa-parallel sa floor. So, increasing heart rate and cardio. So, kunyari, 30 seconds na yon. And then, breathe, breathe, breathe. Pagka-recovery natin, mabilis lang, maximum of 10 seconds. Okay, so next workout natin, higa na tayo sa floor. Gamit tayo ng mat or towel. Okay lang yan. Kunyari, sa hotel. Okay, so leg raises tayo. Pero may variation. Alright? So, check natin. One leg, okay, at 90 degrees. One leg at 90. Tapos yung isa, magle-leg raises. Alright? So, hindi tatama sa floor. Hindi magsistay sa floor yung paa natin na nagle-leg raises. So, hands sa side or pwedeng sa baba ng konti for counterbalance. So, exhale, inhale down. So, 10 repetitions per leg. Make sure other leg is at 90 para engage yung core natin all throughout the workout. Alright, so after 10 repetitions, switch. Right, up, up, and up. Okay po. So, 10-10 per leg yung leg raises natin. And then the other leg is at 90 degrees. Alright? So, next workout natin, Miss Lilac, nakahiga pa rin tayo. Side leg raises naman. So, this time, pa-side naman siya. So, yung other leg natin, yung hindi non-working leg natin, nasa floor lang and then close to your glutes. Tapos yung isa, open wide. Hands, nasa side, both hands, open, and then lift. So, inhale down, exhale up. So, working your obliques and then core muscles. Tapos inner and outer legs. Inhale, exhale up. Slow, quick up. Okay? Inhale down, exhale up. So again, 10 repetitions for this side. Tapos sa kabila is 10 din. Hindi po siya alternating, pero tatapusin natin 10 repetitions per leg. Okay? And then, last working set natin is burpees. Okay po. So, last working set natin, Miss Lilac, burpees tayo. Hands down, jump out, jump in, jump up as high as you can. So, for this one, 10 repetitions to 15 per set. Okay, so lahat ng exercises na po yun, minimum sana natin is 2 sets pala ng lahat ng yun. So, tatapusin mo na siya lahat and then balik tayo sa taas sa plank. Diba? So,